The top 3 richest countries in the world. Number 3. Japan. Japan stands out with its highly advanced and technology-centric economy anchored by precision machinery and automotive industries. The country places a strong emphasis on research and development, fostering innovations in robotics, electronics, and medical technology. With an export-oriented approach and a reputation for high-quality products, Japan maintains a notable presence in global financial markets. Number 2. China. China has undergone a remarkable economic transformation, evolving from an agrarian society to a global economic powerhouse. Its manufacturing prowess is evident on the international stage. The technology sector has seen explosive growth, with many companies achieving global prominence. Their GDP is over $17 trillion. Number 1. The United States. The United States boasts the world's largest economy, driven by a multifaceted landscape of industries. They are by far the richest country in the world with an insane GDP of $22 trillion.